Well, hello, Robert Heffernan with EndoTech. Wow, I had a brain cramp there for a second. This is Blockchain Vitals. It's our daily show talking cryptocurrencies. I am a master endotechnician, firmly in the matrix when talking cryptos, trading cryptos. Everything tradable is mostly in the matrix, and that's just the way it's going to be. Listen, please follow us at EndoTech_IO and at HFR from the floor. That's my Twitter handle. So happy that you're with me here, and let's do the rounds. Doing the rounds, my chance to talk about a headline or a tweet or something I'm seeing in the asset class. And this one bears out something else that's going on here. First of all, it's from the Daily Hold. Crypto to crypto monthly trading volume surge up 66% in March. All right, so these are exchanges that only allow crypto to crypto trading. You can't take your yen or your euro or your dollar and buy crypto at these exchanges. You need to transfer in crypto. And then there's dozens and dozens and dozens of crypto trading pairs. But what it emphasizes and reaffirms to me is that 2019 is going to be the year of separation. All right, there's going to be winners and losers of the majors. And you will see some of the alts become majors, right? And there's going to be a lot of shuffle in the quadrant. And like I said last night, I mean, some of these chart formations on the weekly are completely different looking, completely different potentiality setup going on in a lot of these charts. And there's winners and losers, and nothing affirms for me more on that front is the cross charts, and I haven't talked about them in a while, but, you know, of the top 12 crosses against Bitcoin not favorable on any of them that I could see. So winners and losers for sure. Even in a bull market, certain coins are going to perform much better than others, and it's imperative for profit optimization that you are in the strongest ones. That's all there is to it. So let's actually take the vitals and talk price discovery, and I will cover Bitcoin and at least one or two crosses here also. Taking the vitals, my chance to talk actionable trading information, actionable price discovery. And again, this week I will be covering Bitcoin for the Facebook live crowd and for the YouTube live crowd. Well, actually, the YouTube's an upload crowd. But anyway, Bitcoin right now trading $53.99 at Bitfinex. Has regained upmo on the daily. And like I said last night, you know, for us to continue with this talk of a bull market and continued expanding potentiality on the dailies and the weeklies, and to turn that monthly chart around, and how time flies now, just a week left in April. And we'll be talking about the role of the monthly chart and see how much of this increase, if we can maintain this increase in price, how much that affects the monthly chart, especially the potentiality of that chart. Slope of lines, very important for me on the potentials in standard deviation modeling. So that's what we have right now. Bitcoin, like I said, $53.99, $53.95 now. Really want to see it hold this upmo level at $53.37. You got room out to $55.62 to the collar on the daily, $55.74 to that third target on the pivot modeling, and lots of room on the weekly. Weekly room out to $61.35 upmo collar on the weekly. But as I said before, the cross is very interesting here, and that increase in trading volume on the on the crypto to crypto exchanges points out to me that people are taking their Bitcoin and exchanging it for an altcoin that they think they have a better chance of making a better return, a bigger multiple on an explosive bull market. So that's what I'm seeing. And as I said, I run through the top 12 here, and let's just pick one out so I can give you like an actionable level. But now Ether against Bitcoin. So that level, that momentum level is 0319. 0319 Ether to Bitcoin. And actually, I'm reading that chart backwards. Here, I have to say, please excuse me, because I read the chart backwards. It's Ether Bitcoin. So you need to see Ether get above 0319 against Bitcoin to prefer to own Ether over Bitcoin. And I might have read all of these backwards. So that's what happens sometimes, right? Yeah. Take everything that I said before and throw it out the window. Very important to watch the crosses here, though, and see on this rally if they can regain momentum against Bitcoin. And you know what? When you do cross charts, you do the exact same analysis as you would do for Bitcoin versus US dollar. Whatever type of technical analysis that you are using, please do not deviate from that when you're looking at the crosses. All right, it's the same thing. It's just a set of numbers, one versus the other, and you do the exact same investigation from a technical trading standpoint when you look at the cross. All right, listen, I'm going to say goodbye to the Facebook crowd, and we're going to continue with the top 12 here. If you want to consume the full actionable trading content of this segment, you need to be a subscriber. So please go to EndoTech.io and subscribe, and you will be able to do that. So see you later, YouTube and Facebook. All right, let's continue talking the majors here. All right, Ether trading 171.29 now, above the center line, firmly in upmo on the weekly, steady as she goes here in Ether. If we can recapture 174.03, that's upmo on the daily. For me too, it just looks like this stuff wants to push another leg higher. We've had a nice sideways congestion now for really 2 weeks now, looking at, at least 10 trading days. And that's how these things work, man. That's how lots and lots of markets work. You have a move, you have consolidation, and then you decide whether there's merit to have another move in the direction of trend, or is it going to revert? And right now, we're looking at that same setup across the board here. As I said earlier, though, I do like the potentiality in Bitcoin Ether, in EOS, Litecoin, BNB, and in XMR, Dash, and XTZ, which is Tezos. All of those coins, for me, still looking stronger. And so, mind the mo. The sheet is up at EndoTech.io, that daily sheet. I'll go over the weekly numbers again here quickly, and I'm going to call it a wrap on Easter Monday. So Ether, 163.61 upmo on the weekly, room to 202. EOS, $5, room to 703. Litecoin, 76.06, room to 108.58. BNB, 2013, room to 30.63 in BNB. And down the line here, XMR, 64.12, room to 81. Dash, 115.51, room to 156.74. And Tezos, 105, room to 173.60 or 173. Anyway, that's what I'm seeing. You guys have a great trading day. I'll be back tomorrow, Tuesday. Good morning in Asia, as it's already Tuesday. But my Tuesday, I will be back, and look for me to stream my first segment of Market Vitals and talk price discovery in ags, in crude oil, in S&Ps, to name a few. And I will start that tomorrow morning, looking to be around the noon time on the East Coast, 9 o'clock Pacific Standard. So check that out. Be ready for it. Market Vitals coming tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching.